we have started the recording. Okay, now, so let us solve some problems. Okay, let us solve some problems. Uh, problems. Problems based on. Okay, based on. Okay. Uh, uh, did you remember I gave you some concept that is known as mole concept? We are practicing for the coming exam. A flow chart of mole concept. I gave you that technique. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So based on mole concept, today we will discuss on mole concept also, and then some portion will be from periodic table also. Some problem will be based on writing formula. Writing.
Sir, this is the syllabus.
Yeah, already I discussed yesterday also. Writing molecular formula. Okay, then about some this one also. Chemical bonding also. Okay. Ionic bond.
Sir, writing what?
See, I am writing problem based on what type of problem today we will discuss. Okay.
Writing molecular formula.
See, mole concept, then periodic table, then writing molecular formula. How we write molecular formula? By knowing valency. Did you remember? We have discussed.
Yes, sir.
And we know ionic bond, covalent bond. Okay, then shapes. Okay, shapes.
Shape.
Valence bond theory. Okay.
VBT.
MOT.
Molecular orbital theory also we have discussed. So anyhow, so let us start. So first of all,
So is that VBT?
valence bond theory.
Okay, sir.
Okay. See, you should have some question number 1. How to solve the problems? Okay. So a compound contains, right? A compound contains. Okay. Compound. Do you know compound contains of different types of elements?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
so
sir.
compound contains X atoms, X atom means you can say X element, Y element, and Z element. Suppose this type of compound question comes, okay? So a compound contains, suppose atoms of X, Y, Z, okay? The oxidation number of X is oxidation number या oxidation state. How many electron they can lose or they can gain like this. So suppose it is +2. Okay, Y is +5. Okay.
So what does use XYZ?
Oxidation number, children. -2. These are elements, children. Compound is made up of what? Elements. Hello, children. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so one element has +2 oxidation state, +5 oxidation state, -2 oxidation state. then how can that formula can you generate any formula, the writing formula from their valency and all? So
Sir, your
oxidation,
voice is repeating.
my voice is
Repeating, sir. Echoing.
for echoing means everybody voice is echoing.
No, sir, I have not used.
No, sir. No, sir.
No,
No, sir. No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir. No,
please
sir.
please check your this thing. Otherwise I will do one thing. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So children, what should be the formula? Tell me. What should be the formula? Suppose if I write formula number 1, x, okay, y, okay, and z2. Is it correct formula? Yes, you try to understand. X, y, z. So if x is suppose +2, in question they have given, y is +5, okay, and z is -2. Each
-2.
this is +5 +5, okay, and each z is -2, children. So there will be total -4. I will write -4 with different color. Okay, -2 and -2 because two z's are there.
Yes, sir.
So is it correct? Is it correct formula? Because you have to see
No,
that.
sir.
No, sir.
You should see
Positive
that.
charge is remaining.
Yeah. So I don't think that this is correct one. Let us see. Question number 2 means option number 2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
X2. Okay, and then YZ3. Okay, and then 2. Try to see option number 3 also I will give you. Option 3, X3, YZ4, okay, 2. Option 4, X3, Y4, Z, okay, 2. This type
Sir,
of
answer
things.
3.
Maybe. Let me see one by one. What is wrong in 2? Beta, what is wrong in 2?
The positive charge is more again.
Okay, again +4 is there. Okay, +2 and
Yes,
+2.
sir.
+2.
+2 and +2. +4 is there. And again here,
Yes,
what will happen here? Y is +5
Yes, sir.
and Z is -2.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Y is +5, Z is -6. Okay, total -6. Why this? So it is totally what? It is totally -1, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If it is -1, then again this -1 is for 2 times.
Yes,
So
sir.
altogether this anionic part will be 2 minus, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this will be not cancelled, children. +2, okay, cancelled, but still +2 is there. So again, this is wrong
Yes, sir.
option. Are you getting my point? How we are solving the problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yo,
Yes, sir.
because the whole molecule is neutral. Now here, children, X is +2, 3 is there. So total +6.
Yes,
And
sir.
Y, Z4. Y is having +5
5
and -8.
-8.
-8.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how much it will? Minus 3, no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So total minus 3. So if total is minus 3, so 2 times. So
Yes,
2
sir. Plus
times
6.
means it is minus 6 over here, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this option is getting clarity. So this option is correct. So no need to check, but
Yes, sir.
let us check it. It is plus 6 y4. Y4 means 20 plus 20. Y is having plus
Yes,
5,
sir.
no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, wait,
20.
some disturbance I am getting in typing. Plus 20. And here it
Yes.
is minus 2. Okay. So all
Yes,
together
sir.
it will be, tell me, plus 18.
18.
18.
So this is also plus and this is plus, also plus. What they are thinking? We don't know how to write the formula. Which one is the correct one?
Third
The
option.
third one.
The third option.
Third option. Okay. So third option. Third option. Okay.
Sir, in
So
the third option, it will be minus 6 or plus 6, sir.
where, beta?
Uh, Sir, in the right top corner, sir.
Minus 6.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. By you are multiplying with 2, sir. That will be minus minus plus, no, sir.
No, it is totally minus 3. No. So
Uh,
this minus 6 is coming by minus 3 into 2. That's why it is coming minus 6.
oh, okay, sir. Got it. Sir.
Okay. So, okay, shall we move forward?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the option number 1, question number 1, okay, was having this one third option, correct option. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Next is, so where should I write? I'm not having pen.
Sir, these questions are from which page number?
This I have collected from several books and today I am giving you. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
I have collected from various material. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And some questions are self-made also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Right.
Okay, sir.
So
Okay, sir.
So can you please make me understand how did you did that question?
okay. See, I will give you the next question. Try to solve. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
right, question number 2. You will get same type. Again, compound is there. Compound. No, beta. Babu, maintain. Suppose it is A. Okay, this is B. Okay, and A oxidation number, okay, is plus 3, and B is having minus 1. Okay, children. So, can you tell me what will be the formula? Try to generate formula.
AB3.
AB3.
sir.
A, B, 3. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So you should know how to form formula on the basis of oxidation number. Okay, shall I
Okay,
give you
sir.
one? Shall I give you one more question?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Little bit hard, sir.
Little bit hard. I will increase. Don't worry. I will increase. See, you will get, see level, how I will increase the level. First of all, from 9 to 10, one lecture is there.
Yes, sir.
10 to 11, another lecture. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then 3 to 4, another
3
lecture.
to 4.
Then 4 to 5, another lecture. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. Level will increase. Level will increase. So, children, it is your responsibility. If a small disturbance also there, please mute yourself, beta. Mute yourself. Mute. My humble request.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next is question number 3. Suppose again compound is made up of different things. P, Q, R. Okay. Again
Yes,
P
sir.
is P is suppose +3. Okay. Q is suppose +5. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
+5. Okay. And what you can see, +5, R is equal to -2. Okay. So tell me what will be the formula. So first of all, you have to find out. See, those who are having higher oxidation state, it means they may be, maybe they may be central atom. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So, and those who is having negative, so try to make some anion, and try to make, already it is scattered.
PQR4.
So
PQR4.
PQR4.
P, okay, Q, R,
R4.
R4, because it is +5 and +5. Okay, and here it is -8.
-2.
So
Yes,
it
sir.
will be -3. So automatically +3 is there. I think now you can able to solve such type of problems.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So be prepared in such type of questions.
Yes,
And
sir.
yeah.
Sir, can you give a last example for this?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So last example means you want to see the
Sir,
option.
one more. Just last example.
Sir, one more. Sir, one more.
One more question.
Yes,
One
sir.
more
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
question.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll give you one more question. No. See, do one thing. Again, I will repeat. Okay, let me touch some another points also. Okay, because so many things are there. Okay, okay, beta.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Up to all lectures. No, today please you watch all lectures. You will find everything. So
Okay, sir.
now let me go for some another. See, right one. See, one question is types of bond present in. Okay, suppose it is Cu SO4 dot 5H2O. Okay. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so type of bonds are present. Okay, R. Okay, number 1, electrovalent Electrovalent means covalent. Electrovalent and electrovalent means ionic bond and covalent. Number 2, okay, electrovalent and coordinate. Electrovalent and coordinate. Okay, option 3, electrovalent and covalent. Electrovalent and covalent and coordinate. And option 4, covalent and coordinate. Did you understand, children?
Yes, sir. I
Yes,
think the
sir.
first option.
So see, what I decide is, see, CuSO4 is there.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
This is cation. This is anion, children.
Yes, sir.
And water molecule, you know, H2O, it is having lone pair.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Copper +2 is having vacant orbitals.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How you know that vacant orbital means? Transition metal is there. They are having, see the electronic configuration. They are having lot of vacant orbitals. So they can form coordinate bond with this vacant orbital. Okay, children.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Did you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So it means, and see, this SO4 - 2 is there, no? SO4 - 2. So I told you
Yes, sir.
yeah, O,
Covalent.
2 minus, this is double bond, this is, so covalent bond is also present in sulfate.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Ionic
Yes,
bond,
sir.
yeah, and so I think
Option C.
Option
Option
C. Option C.
I think why first option is wrong, because they are telling only ionic and covalent.
Yes, sir. There
Yes,
are there
sir.
are only two bonds
Coordinate is not
present.
there.
Here
Yes,
they have
coordinate.
told coordinate.
Yes, sir.
In third option, they are telling electrovalent, covalent, and coordinate. Again, they are missing ionic bond over here. I think it now you can understand the question.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
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 Yes, sir.
Okay, so this was the question number 4. Write down question number 5, children. Again, I will give you one molecule. You have to tell what type of bonds are present.
Okay, sir.
Na4, Fe, CN6. Tell me what are the type of bonds present. Okay, children. Come on, be fast.
An ionic bond.
See,
Sir,
so
ionic and covalent.
see,
Sir, ionic
what
and covalent.
whenever you get this type of question, pay attention on each particle participating in the chemical bond formation. Na, Fe,
Sir, covalent.
En also. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So yeah, yesterday we had calculated bond order, C and everything. Did you remember? C, it is triple bond N, okay? And then minus charge is present. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, minus charge means they are having lone pair. Fe, okay? Fe. So you have to know that what is the charge present on Fe. So just you try to understand. If one Cn is having -1, so altogether 6 is there. So total -6 is there or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
And here Na is having +1. So 4 is there. So total +4 is over here.
Plus
Sir,
4. Yes, sir.
ferrocyanide
Yes,
ion.
sir.
Yes,
Total -6 over here. So
Yes, sir.
we have to balance, children, -6 and +6. So here it is totally +4. So it means iron is having +2. Did you understand, children?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
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 And see, this is the whole bracket. This is the whole bracket. So whole bracket, whole bracket will be having how much charge? Tell me. Whole bracket will be having
The
total charge
minus
Minus
4.
four.
minus
Minus 4.
so this is minus 4 and this is plus 4. They are, so this minus 4 and this plus 4 is having ionic bond, children.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ionic bond. Are you getting my point?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
This is cation. This is cation, children. And this is anion. Okay.
Yes,
This
sir.
is a big anion is there. So don't worry. Don't worry about the size of cation and anion. We are trying to know what type of bonds are present. So I think, and see, Fe plus 2 is there. And when you
Yes,
see
sir.
its electronic configuration, many vacant orbitals are present on iron. Did you just you see the electronic configuration? So you can see that F will provide many vacant orbitals, many vacant 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The shape and everything I will discuss. Okay, in complex formation.
Yes, sir.
Complex formation compound. So no need to worry. So these are the vacant orbital and these are the lone pair, Cn minus. Okay, so many Cn minus are there. How many Cn minus are there?
So 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And Cn minus will form coordinate bond because vacant orbital is there. So I told you that if a lone pair is present and vacant orbital is present, they will form coordinate bond. Am I clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So there is a chance of coordinate bond. And see this molecule. See, not molecule. This is the particle. Are they having covalent bonds?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Three
Okay.
covalent bonds.
So yeah, covalent bonds. I can classify the covalent bond also in depth. 1 sigma, okay, and
And
2
two
pi
pi
bonds
bonds.
are there. Did you understand?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So whatever the level, whatever the depth will be in the question, don't worry. I'm with you, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So again, try to solve some more questions. Yeah, I'm giving you. Tell me what type of bonds are present. Okay. Suppose this is the molecule CH4. Tell me what type of bonds are present. Tell me.
Sir, covalent bond.
Sir, covalent.
Sir, covalent.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, can you
I
please show the
don't want any backward means background noise. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Immediately I will mute all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.
So it
Sir,
is
can you
your
please show?
primary. It is your primary duty to maintain silence, children. Okay.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So
Okay,
see.
sir.
Suppose in this question, they may give you options, so many things, but the correct answer will be covalent bond,
Covalent bond.
not ionic, not coordinate. Okay. Coordinate bond is also known as JT bond. So I think when such type of things will come, you can easily handle. Okay.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
can you please show the covalent bond of previous question?
Covalent bond of previous question means question number 5.
Yes, sir.
The C triple bond N and 1 minus charge is present on carbon. So just you see, I told you when atom and atom is there, only one bond is there, means it is sigma. And if
Yes, sir.
again bonds are there, they are pi.
The pi.
So these all are covalent bond. Did you understand?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So in this way, you have to, this was question number 5. This is question number 6. So I think I am assured that you can solve problems of such
Sure,
type.
sir. Sure, sir.
So see, next question number 7, children. Question number 7. Okay. The ionization energy of the ionization better we can write like this: the ionization of hydrogen atom, okay, give if you ionize hydrogen, okay, what it will give? Option 1, I am telling you first, don't worry. Hydride ion, okay, hydronium ion means
H3O
H3O plus, okay, then proton, and then fourth is hydroxyl ion. Ion.
The proton.
Do you
Sir,
know
hydroxy.
do you know hydroxyl ion means? I think OH minus.
OH minus and as an answer is
Okay,
free.
and proton. Do you know proton? Nothing. Proton is, suppose H is there. If you remove electron, if you give ionization energy, that is known as ionization. So it will become
H
H
plus.
plus
H
and
plus.
electron. And H plus is nothing. It is proton only.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
children.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And this is hydronium. So where oxygen came when I am talking about hydrogen atom only?
Yes, sir.
Okay, children.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
And they even they have not mentioned also that it is in water or what anything. So it
If in
is
water, they need to form, sir.
if it is in water, suppose H plus is formed, so it will react with water because it is having vacant orbital and oxygen is having lone pair. They will form a coordinate bond and they will become H3O plus. But they have not
Okay.
mentioned any water also, no. Simply they
No,
have
sir.
told that we have done the ionization of hydrogen atom. What we will get? We will get proton.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
H plus is nothing, only proton. Because see, what is hydrogen? Hydrogen is proton and electron. Bus. Only two things
Yes,
are
sir.
there.
No neutron.
Proton and this is electron. If you remove
And no neutron.
if you remove electron, what will left? Proton.
Only
Proton.
proton.
Yeah. And this is hydride ion. So this is also ion, children. This is also ion. Ion name is anion.
Anion.
Yes.
Okay, but ionization. Generally, ionization means it is used for removal of electron.
Removal of electron.
Okay,
Removal of electron.
removal
Yes,
of
sir.
electron.
Yes, sir.
Ionization of hydrogen atom. So I think third option
Got
must
it,
be
sir.
clear. Okay, okay, children.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. In same way, suppose if I give you question number 8, suppose I have done ionization of, okay, sodium. So tell me what will be the answer?
Sir, 11 protons, 10 neutron, 10
You will
electrons.
get Na plus. This will be correct. Whatever the option they give, this will be the correct. Did you understand, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Suppose question number 9. Okay, ionization. Okay. IE1, IE2, and IE3. Okay, it's completed. Is completed in aluminium. What we will get? Tell me.
Al.
Al3 plus.
Yeah.
Al3 plus.
IE1 means we have removed one electron. First electron, second electron, third electron.
Sir,
So
Al positive.
we will get Al,
Al3 plus.
Al3 plus or plus 3. So I think such type of question also you can form.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
can
sir.
solve,
Yes, sir.
you can solve easily.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. I will give you more question also. Don't worry. Question number 8. Again, I will repeat on same concept. Again, I will repeat with some more higher level. Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Okay, sir.
Just have patience. So till now we have done skill of writing molecular formula, ionic bond, covalent bond. We have touched. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And this
Okay, sir.
ionization we have touched a periodic table. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. So let me move forward. Question number 9. So question number 9 means
Sir, question number 9 to done, sir.
The 10, sir.
Question number 10.
Yes, sir. Question number 10.
question number 10. Okay, beta. Question number 10. Suppose if a question is in argon, you know AR, noble gas. Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
In
Yes,
argon,
sir.
yeah. In bracket it is written that it is solid, argon solid. Means that argon is a gas. But if
Yes,
we
sir.
Yes, sir.
continuously cool down, it will become liquid, and finally it will become what? Solid.
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 So don't worry, we can convert. We know. See, normal water, if we keep in fridge, it becomes solid or not.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So cooling effect is there. So means if you do continuously cooling, particle will become matter will become solid state. Okay.
Sir, hydrogen can also be obtained in solid state.
Why not? If you provide temperature, that much temperature, if you provide, okay, anything you can convert into solid, okay. But
Solid.
that much temperature you have to maintain, okay.
Sir,
Okay,
one
sir.
question, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Tell me.
sir, argon's first ionization energy is greater or calcium second ionization energy is greater?
Argon first ionization energy, okay.
Yes, sir. And potassium second ionization energy.
And potassium second ionization energy, okay na.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So see, hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium. Okay. So argon, argon, okay, and potassium. So what is the number of argon?
18.
18.
What is the number of potassium?
19.
19.
19.
Okay. So argon is almost in octet state only. So you are
Yes,
removing first electron. Okay, children. Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And potassium. Okay, potassium is having 19, and it is coming to the next period, whose atomic size is bigger, children.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 19 means, did you understand 19? What is 19?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
2,
Yes, sir.
comma,
Yes, sir.
8. Okay,
Okay, sir.
2, 8,
8
9.
and 1. Did you remember?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So if you want
Rocket
to
one.
lose electron, one electron will be easily removed. IE1 will be easily removed. It will be having very low value.
Yes, sir.
But
Yes, sir.
once you remove this electron, children, okay, once you remove electron, it will become it will become what? K plus.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and the electronic configuration will be 288.
88.
Okay, now this is also 288. Did you remember?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
And
sir.
this is also 288. But the thing is that okay, but the thing is that now both of them are isoelectronic. Isoelectronic means electrons are same.
Same number of electrons.
But here
Yes.
Z is 18, and here Z is 19 children.
Yes,
Z
sir.
means
Yes,
Z means proton, power.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so these 18 electrons, okay, these 18 electrons, okay, are pulled by 19 protons, and here these 18 electrons are pulled by 18 protons. Okay, so where
Yes,
is the strong force is working?
K plus.
In
A plus. So here they will face difficulty to remove electron. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So see, you who have asked the question, see, am I clear
I
or
have
not?
asked. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Clear.
Okay, so which value was more?
K
K.
plus.
K plus 2.
Did okay na?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I think I have cleared the doubt. Yeah, okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
in argon and solid, the argon is in solid. Okay.
Yes, sir.
The atoms. So if argons are solid, okay. So
Okay, sir.
in solid, the particles are held. Particles. So argon, you know, it is noble gas.
Yes,
Already
sir.
you have
Yes, sir.
discussed. So they can't lose electron, they can't gain electron, they can't share electron. Okay, children.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
So no
Yes, sir.
possibility of ionic bond, no possibility of covalent bond.
Covalent bond.
So only one possibility is there, and that is van der Waals force, children.
Yes, sir.
Van der
Was
Waals
force.
force.
Waals force will work. Okay. So let me see any options are there or not. First they are telling ionic bond.
Impossible.
That type of thing I required, that confidence I required. Okay,
Okay, sir.
that confidence that hydrogen bond.
Where is hydrogen?
Sir, no hydrogen is there, sir.
No
Hydrogen is
hydrogen.
not there. How can you say hydrogen bonds are there? They are thinking that we are fool, huh?
They're fooling us.
Yes, sir.
Then they are written van der Waals.
Correct, sir.
Van der Waals forces. Then we can
So
think
these
of.
one, sir.
Let us see what is the option 4. They are telling hydrophobic forces.
Never.
What is that, sir?
Hygroscopic.
Hydrophobic.
Sir, hydrophobic, sir.
Sir, what is
See,
this?
I
Sir,
will tell you,
waterproof.
don't get panic, beta. Hydro means water.
Pure from water.
Hydro means water.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Did you understand? Hydrate,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
hydro,
Yes, sir.
hydrogens, like this.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay. Phobic. Phobic means phobia.
Fear.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
Fear.
Yes.
phobic. समझ रहे हैं? Phobic comes from
Yes, sir.
phobia.
sir.
Phobia means repulsion.
Fear.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Waterproof, sir.
Repulsion.
Water hating. Water phobic. मतलब water hating.
Waterproof.
Yeah, many things are there who are water phobia. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Okay,
they
sir.
will repel water. Okay.
Okay,
Hello.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Means you might have seen many advertisements. Okay, ये वाला पैंट लगाओ, धूल टिकने ना दे, धूल टिकने ना दे. नहीं समझे बात को? तो मतलब धूल जाएगा दीवार पे तो टिकेगा नहीं, गिर जाएगा. तो वाटर टिकने ना दे. तो बहुत सारा कपड़ा ऐसा होता है जेकर उसमें पानी डाल के देखो भीगेगा ही नहीं, वो भीगेगा ही नहीं. न्यूज़पेपर में पानी डाल दो, देखो पूरा भीग जाएगा. लेकिन कुछ प्लास्टिक ऐसा होता है, पानी डाल दो, पानी अंदर जाएगा ही नहीं. समझ गए? तो वो वाटर रिपल करता है, वाटर को रिपल करता है। समझ रहे हैं बात को?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो जब यहाँ पर हम बात कर रहे हैं कि भैया अगला सॉलिड है, वो भी आर्गन है, अरे तो ना तो वाटर है यहाँ पर ना कुछ है, आर्गन है बस, और वो भी सॉलिड में है। तो तुम फोबिया ओबिया की बात कहाँ से ला रहे हो भाई? ऐसे नफरत क्यों फैला रहे हो लाइफ में? समझ में आई बात? इसको काटू कि नहीं मैं?
हाँ सर, अच्छे से काटिए इसे।
हाँ, हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड है ये नहीं, हाइड्रोजन
सर
बॉन्ड।
ये मुझे समझ नहीं आया सर।
कोई बात नहीं, टेंशन मत लो, कोई जरूरी नहीं कि पूरा चीज आपको समझ में ही आए, कुछ रहने दो, ठीक है? और अगर समझना ही चाहते हो तो एक बार और ध्यान दो। तो 2 वर्ड आपको याद रखना पड़ेगा बेटा, एकदम याद रखना पड़ेगा जिंदगी में। 2 वर्ड याद रखना। देखिए अब जो मैं समझा रहा हूँ, क्यों बच्चा, जो भी बच्चा था वो साइंटिफिक लैंग्वेज नहीं समझा, इसलिए मैं उसको घरेलू भाषा में समझा रहा हूँ। He got some, because I want to develop the concept, and today I can't shout also. I think you might have till now you might have known that I am suffering from some throat. इसलिए आज उतना चिल्लाने का मन नहीं कर रहा, ठीक है?
ओके
हेलो?
सर।
हाँ सर, कोई बात
नहीं तो अभी जो पूछा ना कि ये चीज समझ में नहीं आया, तो मैं आज उसको समझा के ही रहता। तो आज थोड़ा मेरा थ्रोट मेरे को हेल्प नहीं कर रहा है। बेटा जिसको भी ये बात नहीं समझ में आता उसको देखो, मैं टेक्निकल भाषा से हटा के उसको नॉर्मल भाषा में लाता हूँ। बेटा दुनिया में 2 चीजें होती है बेटा, एक होता है लव और एक होता है हेट। नाम तो सुना ही होगा।
हाँ सर।
जिसको ये क्वेश्चन नहीं, ये वाला पार्ट नहीं समझ में आया, वो ज्यादा वो पार्ट वो मेरे को रेस्पॉन्ड करो, दूसरा नहीं। ओके
ठीक है सर।
ठीक है। तो आपने लव और हेट का नाम सुना है कि नहीं?
हाँ सर।
ठीक है। तो अगर मैं अट्रैक्शन और रिपल्सन लिखना चाहूं तो किसके नीचे रिपल्सन लिखूं और किसके नीचे अट्रैक्शन?
लव के नीचे अट्रैक्शन और हेट के नीचे रिपल्सन।
कोई प्रॉब्लम
नहीं सर।
ओके। ये वर्ड लैंग्वेज नॉर्मल लैंग्वेज था, ऐसा नहीं लग रहा ये थोड़ा स्टैंडर्ड लैंग्वेज था, अट्रैक्शन रिपल्सन?
हाँ सर।
ओके। और एक चीज बता रहा हूं, उसके बाद मैं फिर आता हूं। H2O का नाम बताओ। H2O को क्या क्या बोलते हैं बताओ? जल्दी बोलो, टाइम नहीं है मेरे पास।
सर वाटर।
वाटर, और बोलो।
हाइड्रो।
हाइड्रो, और
नहीं जानता सर।
पानी, जल। अरे आपने बंग जल बोलते पारो ना? ओके
ओके सर।
हाँ, जल खाबे तब कितना बार हम लोग तो जल मतलब व्हाट, इट इज द एकदम नॉर्मल लैंग्वेज फॉर व्हाट? H2O, isn't it?
यस सर। यस सर।
हाँ, और वर्ड बता देते हैं, नीर। इसका मतलब क्लासेस थोड़ा अटेंड नहीं किया 9, 10, 8 में। नीर का मतलब भी पानी होता है। ओके। और भी एक्वा गार्ड, नाम सुने हो कि नहीं?
हाँ सर।
तब सब पानी से ही रहना रिलेटेड है।
हाँ सर।
और पता नहीं क्या क्या चीज बोल सकते हैं पानी के लिए। ओके ओके।
Dihydrogen oxide.
हाँ यस, या यस, इट इज हाइड्रोजन ऑक्साइड ऑफ हाइड्रोजन। ओके
Dihydrogen, sir.
हाँ ओके
ओके सर।
ओके। डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड नाउ? तो
Yes, sir.
पानी रे पारी तेरे कितने नाम है? हाइड्रो, हाइड्रेट। ओके चलो।
Okay, sir.
हाँ तो अब देखिए, मैं फिर यहाँ पर आता हूँ। अट्रैक्शन हुआ, रिपल्सन हुआ। अट्रैक्शन के लिए और एक अच्छा नाम यूज करता हूं, फिलिक। ओके, फिलिक याद से, आज से याद रखो, बोल के देखो एक बार जुबान से।
Okay, sir.
फिलिक बोलो, फिलिक।
फिलिक
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 फिलिक मतलब
अट्रैक्शन
अट्रैक्शन मतलब
लव
या लव मीन्स बॉन्ड।
अट्रैक्ट
बड़े आगे
हाँ सर
our next class will start.
क्या बेटा?
अगला क्लास शुरू हो जाएगा सर।
हाँ जल्दी, वही ये इसको बोलो ना कि ये छोटा छोटा बात को ये अब बताओ, इतना अच्छा समझा दिया था, मेरा गला नहीं साथ दे रहा। बोल रहा तो हम बता रहे, हम नॉर्मल भाषा में देखो। फिलिक, फिलिक का मतलब लव होता है, आज से याद रखो, ये एकदम साइंटिफिक लैंग्वेज है। और रिपल्सन के लिए भी एक दे देता हूँ, फोबिक। ओके, फोबिक मतलब
रिपल्सन
रिपल्सन मतलब
हेट
हेट मतलब
एंटी बॉन्डिंग
नो बॉन्ड।
ओके सर
बड़े आगे
हाँ सर
यहाँ इस वर्ड का मीनिंग बताओ मेरे को। हाइड्रोफोबिक फोर्सेस का मतलब क्या हुआ?
रिपल्सन फ्रॉम वाटर।
बात खत्म, समझ में आई बात?
हाँ सर
तो एक जोरदार तालियां बजा दो इस बच्चे के लिए भैया, बहुत आराम से समझा एक क्वेश्चन को। चलिए आप मेरे को टाइम बताइए, कौन सा कितना टाइम हुआ अभी?
सर
सर
55
9:57
अब ना इसका ये क्वेश्चन कौन सा था ये वाला? 10। कंटिन्यू देखना अब वीडियो लेक्चर नेक्स्ट में। बाय बाय।
बाय सर।
सर
बाय सर